Hey, welcome to Outdoor with Beane. Today we're here at the Piedmont Environmental Center at High Point, North Carolina. There's a bunch of small trails here you could check out. There's also one long one, and there's dirt trails, pavement trails, big trails, medium trails, and small trails, and a bug. And yeah.
Thanks, Hannah. That was pretty good. What do y'all think, guys? She's over there dying out laughing over there. Yeah, this place is definitely nice. Y'all got to check it out. It's in High Point, North Carolina. It's the Piedmont Environmental Center. And you can bring your bicycle here. They got a trail. If you get on the Greenway, you can ride your bicycles over here, guys. And it goes pretty far. I think it goes all the way to there's like a park on the other side. It's called like Gibson, I want to say. It goes all the way over there. Just be careful. They do have signs to let you know when to dismount, because there is stairs going down that trail. But this place is nice. It's got a little bit of everything. That's why I got in the title Paradise, because it's a little bit of everything over here. And I would definitely recommend checking it out. I'm gonna give this 9.5 out of 10. That's how much I like it, guys. And this is only about 40 minutes away from my house, and I wish I would have found it sooner. So that's why I made this channel, to let y'all know what trails are around you in North Carolina. And I'll have a lot more to come. And let me know in the comments how far you live over here from this trail in High Point, North Carolina. And until next time, guys, be safe and enjoy the footage. Look at the baby turtle. He's running for his life. Oh wow. Your mama would like to come here, wouldn't you?
He's drinking water. He's drinking water.
Drinking water?
I think so. That's like...
It's a copperhead.
Yeah. It's like that one's a black, eastern king snake. Those kill snakes. That one will kill that one. And it will kill that
Hey guys, we're on the Bill Favor Lakeshore Trail. It's about 1.8 miles long. It's a neat little trail for y'all to check out over here at the Piedmont Environmental Center in High Point. So it ain't too bad of a trail. You might want to wear some boots, especially if you got some weak ankles. Hey, y'all like the trail, guys?
Good. Good.
Y'all tired yet?
No.
Not yet. All right, let's keep going.